Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload your first document. Getting your files into the system is the starting point for everything else you'll do here. We're going to do this in just 2 simple steps. The first step is accessing the upload function. To upload via the context menu, right-click on My Box and pick the upload option to drop a file into your personal space. The same trick works for a shared category, just right-click on KPI and hit Upload. And if you want it inside a subcategory like Account, right-click on it and choose Upload from here too. That covers uploading through the context menu. Next, let's look at using the Main Upload button. To use the Main Upload button, just hit this Upload option in the left-hand menu. Next, let's move on to selecting the target destination for your document. To select the target destination, switch from My Box over to Category since we want to share this file. Pick the department you belong to from this drop-down. Drill down into the category and choose the subcategory where your file should live. The target destination is now selected. Let's move on to uploading the document itself. To upload your document, just drag and drop it into this area, or click to browse from your system. Once your file is in place, hit Upload Now to kick off the process. The document has been uploaded successfully. Let's move on to verifying the uploaded file to make sure everything is in order. To verify the uploaded file, head back into the Account subcategory and you'll see your file sitting there successfully uploaded. And just like that, your file is confirmed and sitting right where it should be. You've officially uploaded your first document. Have fun getting the rest of your files in there. By now, you already know how to upload documents into My Box and categories, and if you want to create your own category structure for your department, that is where Manage Categories comes in. Just click on it from the navigation menu. To access Manage Categories, click this option in the left navigation panel. Now that we're inside the Manage Categories section, we're ready to set up our structure. Let's move on to creating the main Employee Records category. To create the main Employee Records category, give it a name in this field. Pick a color that fits the category and choose an icon like this People one to make it easy to spot. Hit Create and you'll see the confirmation pop up with your new category now listed on the right. The main Employee Records category is now created. Let's move on to building nested subcategories, starting with Resume Staff, Year, Department, Branch, and IT. To build your first subcategory, name it something like Resume Staff, pick an icon and a color, then hit Create. You'll see it pop up right under Employee Records as a Level 2 category. Here's the cool part, you can nest even deeper by hitting the plus icon next to Resume Staff. Give this one a name like Year, choose a color and icon, and create it to add your Level 3. Keep going by adding another nested category under Year, this time for Department, with its own color and icon. Not every organization needs to go all the way to 5 levels. Most teams are perfectly fine with just 2 or 3 levels of subcategories. But if your structure demands it, this system supports up to 5 levels. The flexibility is there when you need it. Finally, add one more subcategory called IT with a laptop icon to round out the structure. Our category structure is now fully built out with all the nested subcategories in place. Let's move on to the next step, which is creating a new collection. Think of collections as a way to let you gather documents from different categories into one place, making it easy to review everything without jumping around. Kick things off by hitting the New Collection button. Give your collection a clear name that reflects its purpose, like one for your IT records. Hit Create to save it. The new collection is now set up and ready to be populated. Let's move on to adding files to the IT record collection. To add files to the IT record collection, head into the IT subcategory, open the Files 3-dot menu, and pick Add to Collection. Choose IT record from the drop-down here and hit Add. You can pull files from other categories too. Jump into the IT subcategory under KPI and open Add to Collection from this menu. Select IT record again and confirm with Add. The files have now been added to the IT record collection. Let's move on to reviewing the collection contents to make sure everything is in place. To review the collection contents, head back to Collections and open the IT Record one. If you ever want to add a file into another collection, just open this three-dot menu and pick Add to Collection. From here, you could spin up a brand new collection on the fly. All right, we are good for now. Go ahead and cancel out. And that is a wrap for today.